Early on with songs of socio-political relevance. It's going to be my socio-political relevant song section of the evening. It's not very long. So this song was actually, it's interesting. I wrote this song when I first moved to Asheville 4 years ago, and I read in the paper about the drought in Georgia and how bad it was and how the Lake Prayin was half empty, and everybody was real worried about it, especially in Atlanta, where there's so many people. And but then I wrote the song and kind of tried to record it down in Atlanta at the studio, and it didn't work out really the way I wanted to, and I never released it. And then the drought kind of ended. I mean, I think it's kind of been going on ever since, but it ended enough to leak the headlines. But now it's back. I don't know if anyone noticed, but there's this massive drought all throughout the whole southern part of the country. It's worse than it's been since the Depression. And the same thing's going on in China right now too. They're rerouting all these rivers to try to feed water to the cities. Anyway, this song is about situations like that, which are just more and more common. Now there's 5 million living in Atlanta. What? Pardon me. Now there's 5 million living in Atlanta. Her sprawl is like a cancer crawling across the land, and we're so busy making so much money. Why even bother with making a plan? Yeah, there's so much blacktop, and the sun is so hot. Weather's a-changing, won't be the same no more. In the Chattahoochee, once running strong and free, now she just trickles to the sea, spent like a whore. If Lake Lanier runs dry, city power is gonna die. If there ain't no water from the sky, then there's none for the dam. And fat men with money to burn, buying up lakes and taking their turn, thanking God that the people never learn about supply and demand. Their order runs from dusk to dawn, a 300-acre front lawn. store's a hole-in-one on a field of green. And when our kids grow, fresh water's gonna be the new gold. Sucked dry, then bought and sold another gasoline. And now they're praying, just praying for rain over Georgia, believing in some kind of order in which we deserve reward. I'm amazed she's come this far. Yeah, you know it warms my heart that the world ain't broken all apart, that her course ain't run, same after same mistake. I'm still calling on God to make reparations for all the hurt we've done. Yeah, we come upon this earth, we take her for all she's worth. All of a sudden it seems she's cursed, and now we're asking why. I once had a love so free, I thought it was just a her and me, forever and eternity. But then the well ran dry. Yeah, I was just a praying, just praying for rain over Georgia, believing in some kind of order in which we deserve reward. Yeah, we're all praying, just praying for rain over Georgia, believing in some kind of order